Hello, beautiful people. So today let me introduce myself. I'm Kayla Wright, the CEO of Lemon Buzz, and this is the first ever video for this project. And today was branding day. So today we chose the logo and made the logo. Now, the goal for this lemonade stand and this project is for it to be as aesthetic as possible, as good looking as it can be, in hopes to bring in as much customers as we can. Because we're going to be in the short north. I actually just confirmed that 2 days ago with the store owner. His name is Deontay, and he said it's totally fine if we have the lemonade stand outside the store. So we're very, very excited about that. But right now, I'm really going to take you guys through how we made this logo. And I use this website called LogoJoy, and I've used it for a while, and it makes really, really great aesthetic, professional logos, and it's really easy to use. So here I'm going to take you guys through it. So first, it asks you, what's your industry? And I said food blog. It's food. We'll take it. Then it lets you pick from example logos. So just, an outline. You can always edit and change. So here's just some of the ones we picked. Yep. And we're gonna hit continue. Then we chose the colors. Like our main color is going to be teal because it's just really aesthetic. It's appealing. It's my favorite color, and I'm the CEO, so I made that decision. But it actually does look very, very nice. And I chose grayscale because there's brown in grayscale. I'm guessing because there's no more brown down here. So I chose the grayscale. And then for the third and final color, I just chose yellow. Not I, we. We chose yellow because lemonade is yellow. Yep, and now I ask you about your company name, which is Lemon Buzz. We don't have a slogan yet, but we might later. Maybe, we may not. Who knows? But we're working on it. We're working on it. So here lets you add like a symbol to your logo. And I really thought my CMO Holden was going to be really picky about this and how the logo looked in general. And she was like, oh no, as long as it looks pretty, it's fine. But my COO, Asia, whoo, she was very picky, especially about how these cups looked. We had to be very selective about these cups. So these are the ones we ended up choosing. And this usually is save generating, but these are the example logos that they make for you. These are just some examples. Yeah, a lot of them. Oh, I like that one. I didn't see this one. That one's nice. But I'm actually going to show you guys the one we actually chose. We ended up choosing 2 instead of 1. Let me scroll up here. So we ended up going with this one right here and this one right here. This one is going to be the more general logo, the one we're going to use for the sign, Lemon Buzz Lemonade Stand. So people know what it is. So people know that the buzz isn't alcohol because we've gotten that misconception a couple times. And this one, my favorite one, this one is going on the cups. Because again, in our goal to be more aesthetic, we're going to actually put stickers on the cups that we're going to have. So here you have little LB for Lemon Buzz and the specially chosen cup by Asia, and my CMO Holden approved it. She loved it, and my CFO loved it as well. So this is our cup logo. And that's pretty much it for branding day. So, yay! We're one step closer to getting this done.